Good morning, good afternoon. It's some minutes to noon, and it's the day that I'm going back to Nairobi. It's always sad. We gotta go back. I have ordered some fish. Kuna mama nilipata pale mbele anatengeza samaki, like for her to deep fry them for me. Hizi ninasafiri nazo, naenda nazo Nairobi. Wajua Nairobi hakuna samaki kama hawa.
Hata mimi nilikuwa nikikaranga mtongwe. Hata alikuwa akikuwa nazi.
Nazi.
Mama sisi kule kwetu hakuna samaki.
Hakuna samaki kama hawa. Samaki ambao wako Nairobi ni tilapia. So that is what I'm going to pick up, and I have 30 minutes left. I'll be going to SGR with a direct shuttle from Kombani. That is the area right there kwenye nimeacha mama akichoma samaki. Let's see if they're ready. Nimekosa una. I wanted taffy. Let me just pick this call. The driver just called me and told me he's on his way to pick me up. Sasa hivi nenda na SGR. Mami, nilikuwa nataka nijue kama kuna wachache wanaweza toshea hapa. Ndio nisisumbuliwe pale SGR. Hizi nizifiche chini, alafu kidogo niweke juu ndio mbwa wakinusa. Wajua huwa wanasumbua watu. So wale kidogo ambao watabaki, mbwa wakisumbua nitapeana hizo. But jaribu tu kuniekea hapo. Nasafiri mchana saa 9.
Unafika?
Sasa ndio gari yanachukua hapo kutoka hapa direct mpaka SGR.
Ukifunga kwenye bagi kwa chini.
Hawatanusa. Niweke tu kidogo hapo alafu wengine uwafunge tu hivyo. Pole, naona ulikuwa umezifunga vizuri. Kwa samaki mgani huyo? Huyu akamkia huyu. Hiyo ambaye wachoma. Ndio huyu hapa. Yaitwaje?
Tafi.
Ndio tafi. Iko sawa kabisa. Iko sawa mami. Mami itajifunga. Dere ameniambia shatoka, so that's the fish right there. I've separated them into two just in case. Just in case. Good thing I have already packed, so it's just a matter of kuvaa viatu. Tende. But it's not far. Mariam Watando's villa. I'm gonna miss you so much.
A few moments later.
At exactly noon, I boarded the van from Kombani, starting my journey back to Nairobi. Since Dongo Kundu had not been officially opened, the ferry was still the main route. The weather was calm and everything felt peaceful. It's one of those moments you just take in. I sat alone, staring at the waves, completely in my own little world.
So we made it to the ferry. I'm just alighted from the mat, or rather the shuttle that has carried us to the ferry. So let's go. Let's cross the ferry and then we go all the way to SGR Train. At the waiting lounge, the Mombasa Terminus. Nimekuja hapa by maji. I think I'll have something in the train because I'm a bit hungry. I haven't eaten anything since morning. Nilikosa wali wa nazi na samaki wa nazi, and that is what I wanted. I've left my luggages over there. That's why I'm keeping my eyes over there. Let me get the water. 900, yeah. Yes, my balance. Yeah. No, let me just go there. I come back after 5 minutes. Sindio? I'm usually so torn in between whether I should record kwa SGR or not, because the last time I recorded something kwa SGR, manzesi nilisumbuliwa. There are some guys who just came to me walikuwa makarau. They came to me and they were like, yo, what are you doing? Delete that footage. Tulisumbuana. Nilifikishwa mpaka kwa OCS, so they wanted me to give them something, but too bad for them, kichwa ngumu. So right now I'm just vlogging ile tu kichini nisisumbuliwe na mtu, because I have a lot of footage in this camera that I wouldn't want to lose. This is Mombasa Terminus for you guys, and yeah, Kwaheri Mombasa. It's always sad leaving Mombasa, but you know, it's fine. So, yeah, twende. We are on the move. I haven't had anything to eat at the waiting lounge. I really am interested to test the food in the SGR. Let's see where couch 9 is. They show directions. So that guy over there is giving out directions. Okay. Five, 6. My back is on fire. So I found coach 9. It's just ahead of me. Hey, this time round kuna watu wengi. I think a lot of people travel in the afternoon, especially coming from Mombasa. Hi. Thank you. Like I have this bag. I have these bags. I have this bag. We made it to the SGR, so I just got in, put my luggage up. I think we have like, what time is it? Let me just confirm. 7 to 11? It's like 2:43, so we have like 17 minutes to go. So I got the menu, ordered rice and beef stew, which went for like, I think 250 shillings. Wait, no, I'm not sure. I'm editing this a few months after this trip. Although the food was delicious, it came in really small portion, like it was so little. I just wanted to have another plate. As I ate every bite, I couldn't take my eyes off the stunning sunset unfolding over the African savannah, making me feel so deeply connected to the beauty of this moment. A perfect end to my journey. What a feeling it was to experience such tranquility in the midst of the adventure. I'm going to film anymore for the rest of the night. So until next time guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.